이거 파는 거예요?
Is this for sale?
아니, 만든 거예요?
You made it yourselves.
You made us? You made this?
이거 파는 거 같은데?
I think they sell this.
이거 원래 그 마블 같은 그런 피규어잖아요.
This is like a figure, something like Marvel.
우리 히어로야?
We are heroes?
Epic. We could be a hero.
준비해서 오세요, 여러분.
And later, all those people who are in the standing section, prepare your water, alright? So you won't get tired as well, okay?
아시겠죠?
Alright, you understand?
네, 여러분 절대 다치거나 아프면 안 되니까 이따 정말 질서 잘 지켜서 공연 재밌게 함께 즐겼으면 좋겠습니다.
Of course, you shouldn't get hurt or injured later, so let's get prepared for ourselves and enjoy the show, right?
여러분들 악몽 조심하세요.
Guys, be careful with horrible nightmares.
네, 전 지금 체력이 없어요.
I have no energy left.
자, 그럼 잠시 후에
네, 이따 봐요.
Alright, see you later.
See you later, guys.
See you later.